Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Generac Cold Weather Kit is probably one of the most important accessories for your home generator, especially if you live in an area that experiences harsh winters. This kit ensures your generator keeps running during power outages, even when temperatures plummet, safeguarding your home and family from the cold and darkness. Protecting your investment and ensuring its functionality during critical times is key, and this video will explore everything you need to know about this essential winterization product. Number 5. Generac 8 to 26 kilowatts Cold Weather Kit. Keep your Generac standby generator running smoothly, even in freezing temperatures. This kit ensures it starts reliably when you need it most. It helps maintain the ideal battery temperature. This prevents damage and ensures peak performance in cold weather. It also keeps your generator's oil at the right temperature. This makes starting easier, even when it's freezing outside. It automatically kicks in when temperatures drop too low. This provides worry-free protection against cold weather damage. If you live in an area where temperatures regularly fall below 32 degrees Fahrenheit, it's a must-have. It's designed to keep your generator running reliably in harsh conditions. This kit is designed for easy installation, ensuring you can get it up and running quickly. Protect your investment with this simple addition. What we like. It keeps your battery and oil warm, ensuring easy starts even in freezing temperatures. If you live in an area with harsh winters and want a reliable power source, this is the perfect solution for you. It's the ultimate peace of mind, especially if you depend on your generator for essential services during power outages in cold weather. Number 4. Generac 7102 Oil Heater Kit. Introducing the Generac 7102 Oil Heater Kit, designed for reliable generator starting, even in freezing temperatures. It's compatible with most Generac air-cooled standby generators. Installation is a breeze. It slips right over your oil filter, no special tools or expertise are needed. Get it up and running in minutes. For optimal performance in cold weather, use it with 5W30 synthetic oil. This ensures your generator starts quickly and runs smoothly, even when temperatures plummet. Pair it with the Generac 7101 battery heater pad for complete cold weather protection. Together, they provide a comprehensive solution to keep your generator running reliably. It's built to Generac's high standards of quality and reliability, ensuring years of dependable performance. You can trust it to keep your generator running when you need it most. This kit is compatible with 9 kilowatts to 22 kilowatts air-cooled standby generators manufactured in 2008 or later. Check your generator's specifications to ensure compatibility. What we like. This kit is super easy to install and significantly improves your generator's performance in cold weather. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to protect your generator from freezing temperatures, this is a great choice. It works seamlessly with your existing generator components and provides a complete cold weather protection solution. What people say. This device keeps the oil in my Generac standby generator warm in the crazy cold winters we have where I live. You'd be well advised to get one if your overnight temps drop well below freezing. Came with all parts and wiring needed for install. Took about a half hour to install. Installation was straightforward with clear instructions, and the air-cooled design is smart, it maintains the right temperature without overheating. Number 3. Generac Cold Weather Kit 7101-7102. This kit has passed UL certification, providing thermostatic control to your generator and reducing battery loss for enhanced safety and peace of mind. It's compatible with 9 kilowatts to 22 kilowatts air-cooled standby generators made in 2008 or later, replacing OEM parts 7101 and 7102. It's designed for seamless integration. It automatically turns on at 40 degrees Fahrenheit 4 degrees Celsius and off at 55 degrees Fahrenheit 13 degrees Celsius, ensuring optimal performance and extending the life of your generator. By keeping the oil at the optimal temperature, it prevents starting issues in cold weather and ensures normal operation throughout winter. Installation is simple, it's a plug-and-play system that integrates with your generator's existing components. Instructions are included, and helpful videos are available online. For best results, use 5W30 synthetic oil after installing the oil heater. The battery warmer is not needed for AGM batteries. What we like. This kit offers both safety and convenience, with automatic temperature control and compatibility with various generators. If you value safety and ease of use, and want a reliable solution to keep your generator running smoothly in cold weather, this kit is for you. The automatic on-off feature eliminates the worry of manually managing the heater, providing worry-free protection. What people say. Fit my 22K Generac house generator. Plugged right and no issues with connection. Comes with other cables if needed. Live sub-zero weather during the winter and no problem starting up on the weekly test cycles. Perfect fit and easy install. Just installed on our new 2024 Generac 24 kilowatts generator. Nothing more than a few basic hand tools needed to open the customer connection end of the generator housing and a little patience routing the cables. After making the N1 and N2 connections and plugging in each warmer, I could feel them warm up within about 2 minutes since the outdoor temps were in the upper 30s at my time of install. Each unit has a built-in sensor which only kicks on I believe below 45 degrees Fahrenheit. The installation of this device is super simple. In colder environments, you can hear the difference when the equipment starts up each week on its test cycle. This is a must-have for any generator when the temperature drops below 35 degrees in the winter months. Number 2. Generac Battery and Oil Heater Kit. This kit is designed for Generac air-cooled standby generators ranging from 9 kilowatts to 22 kilowatts. It ensures optimal performance in cold weather. It helps your generator start reliably even in freezing temperatures. This is essential for maintaining power during winter storms. The kit is designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and effort. Detailed instructions are included for a smooth process. It provides reliable power when you need it most. Don't let cold weather leave you in the dark. By keeping the oil warm, it helps protect your generator's engine components and extends its lifespan. This is a worthwhile investment. It ensures your generator performs at its best, even in sub-zero conditions. Experience consistent and dependable power. What we like. This kit is designed for effective cold weather performance. If you need a reliable solution to keep your generator running in cold temperatures, this is a good option. Its simple design ensures effective functionality without any complicated features. Number 1. Generac 7103 Cold Kit. Introducing the Generac 7103 Cold Kit, engineered to protect your generator in harsh winter conditions. It ensures reliable performance even when temperatures plummet. This kit is compatible with 9 kilowatts to 22 kilowatts air-cooled standby generators made in 2013 or later. It's the perfect solution for reliable cold weather operation. If you live in an area where temperatures drop below 20 degrees Fahrenheit -6 degrees Celsius, it is highly recommended to install this kit. It prevents freezing and keeps your generator running smoothly. For optimal performance with the cold kit, always use 5W30 synthetic oil. This ensures proper lubrication and viscosity in freezing temperatures. The Generac 7103 Cold Kit offers comprehensive protection against cold weather damage. It provides an extra layer of security for your generator. Generac is known for quality and reliability. This kit is manufactured to the highest standards, giving you peace of mind all winter long. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for regions with extremely cold climates. If you live in an area with temperatures well below freezing and need to ensure your generator's reliable operation, this is the best choice. It provides a comprehensive solution, maximizing your generator's performance even in the harshest winter conditions. What people say. This crankcase breather heater appears to work as intended. Installation is a royal pain in the butt, requiring removal of the carburetor airbox, which has 4 screws, one of which, bottom center into the carburetor itself, requires removal of a plastic plug from the separator plate on the battery side. Then you access it using a 12-inch long 1/4 drive extension with an articulated socket holding a suitable hex bit that fits the screw head. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.